I'm here today with this rope challenge game, and it should be a lot of fun. It's not that expensive. You can play this from ages 3 and up, it says. So we're really eager to check this out. I think you can make it a little bit more difficult as you get along. So let's see. Oh, it's like a sticker that goes on there. And then we have these different ropes. We have different difficulty levels on the board, it says. So, okay, so we have all these pegs and ropes, which are all just separate, it seems. And let's sticker this up. Rope challenge. Nice. There's no actual book in there, which can be used to weave different difficulty levels on the game board. So difficulty levels. Okay, so it seems just adding more ropes will add difficulty to the game. But I would have liked to have seen like maybe some examples, some cards with examples, or even some examples in the book itself, but it doesn't come with any book. So that's a bit of a disappointment, but I think you have to come up with your own examples then, which is totally fine. So you can put this in. Let's see, how does that work? Put this in here. Oh, I also have to tie them myself. So put one piece on this side and then another blue piece on this side. And then I have to tie a knot in there myself. Okay, so far it's not really going that great, this game. It seems this is going to be a lot of work to even get set up in the game. Let's see. Yeah, so that's not going anywhere. Okay, so that's pretty nice. And then this one as well. Okay, so you have to really complete that yourself. It doesn't come with any book, at least mine didn't. Perhaps that's an error, but that doesn't really bode well for this game. I think we can still have a little bit of fun. Create some more difficult ones here for kids that are like 5 or something. So I'm going to test this and perhaps make another video to help you out. But I hope this unboxing has helped you make your choice.